This is an easy way to make money from home. Today we're going to talk about Amazon's affiliate marketing program. And the best part, you don't even need to buy any products or have storage for the product. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. And with Amazon being one of the largest online marketplaces, the opportunities are endless. So how does it work? It's simple. You sign up for Amazon's affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. Then you can start promoting any product on Amazon using that link. You can share it on your social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, your blog, or even through email marketing. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that easy. And the best part is that you don't need any prior experience to get started. Anyone can do it. Imagine earning money while you sleep just by promoting products you love. It's a win-win situation, and the more you promote, the more potential earnings you can make. So, if you're looking for a flexible way to make money from home, Amazon's affiliate marketing program is definitely worth considering. And remember, you don't need to buy any products yourself. Just promote them with your affiliate link and start earning. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. We're here to help you.